Hi, this is Andy from MNMoto, and today we're going to send it.
This is from like 1990, right?
This is from 1973.
Can I show them how like the wiring?
When did you get it? Like 1980?
I've had it since 1973. It was before I was born, my dad.
Knock it onto the snow and like drip those things on.
I know how it works.
Dad, you have to do a lot of cutting in this vid.
That was a lot harder when I was little.
What?
That was a lot harder to do when I was little.
Little?
When I was a little kid.
Oh.
A lot harder to do.
But you had that when you were a little kid? There he goes! I did already run that speed. He's probably just going slow since he has not done this yet. Like after he knows how to ride it, he gets it all watching. He's gonna take it to me. Just that kid.
Woo! That's a riot.
Go, we're going to a different rotation. Keep going. Oh, he's going. Around the hockey rink. He's actually going way faster than my section.
I think it's good. You think how fast do you think it's going?
Actually, it's going really good. On the video, it's not that fast though, but actually, it's going way faster.
Okay.
It ran really good, but if you want to come in closer, the top carburetor screw kept backing itself out. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite on it. I'll let that Loctite dry. Make sure this bottom one is.
Okay, everyone, look at this. I'm gonna just get some snow, and then look at this. That is hot. It's hot. It will melt you. Don't touch it. It's literally melting the water from the snow. Don't do it. Don't touch that. Old snowmobile camera. You have handlebar. Handlebar. Now I'm not gonna touch it. It's gonna. Feet. Feet. Motor that has no suspension. So basically motor sleds. Yeah. That scares me.
Headlight works.
Wait, it does work?
Yeah.
Working.
No brake lights, but you know, I think headlights, tails are probably enough for this thing. Just so you don't get run over on the lake.
Smart. Are we done?
Come back this way.
Hi. Am I stopping it?
What do you think?
Pretty good.
I want to try.
I don't know if you're old enough yet.
Give him the helmet if he wants to try it.
It has a pretty good start. Otherwise, he runs the entire time.
Yeah, you got to kind of hold it down a little bit. If it gets too slow, then it starts dying out on you.
I might go fast. I haven't tried it without yet.
Come on.
We have old thing here, and we're going to put someone on it. We're gonna do this.
You just floored it right away.
Yep, he just put it down. Okay, Dad, you can do it.
I'm more concerned watching him than I'm recording on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, he just went over a bump and then like completely stopped.
Yeah, well, they kind of catch you off guard.
Yeah. That's why I'm always like looking straight at the ground.
You really took off. You did a good job.
I love it. I think I went a little too fast.
Yeah, you took off. It was fine. You did good. Good job, guys. Let's set up our fishing stuff now.
It was really fun though.
Yeah, you guys have fun. You want to stand by it? I'll take a picture.
I'm MNMoto, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. That'd help out a lot. Goodbye.